What's up? Today I'm going to be putting a full Yoshimura RE13, I believe it is, exhaust system on my bike. So let's get to it. Alright, just did some sound clips with a stock pipe on, and let's open this thing up right quick, see what it looks like. Alright, get the mid pipe right here. We got the header. Give me some springs and exhaust plug, stuff like that, some extra stickers. Oh yeah. We got that big thing. There's a look at her. Got that carbon tip on there. Yes sir, let's get her put on. There's another look at everything that came in the box. We got a plug, the springs, all that kind of stuff. Then we got the header, mid pipe, and then the big part. One last look at the stock pipe, what it looks like on there. It's gonna look so much better when we get done. All right, gonna get this old exhaust off, throw that new one on.
Come on, we'll be all alone.
Alright, so pretty much all I did was took this one side, took the seat off, took the side piece off, got the top bolt out and the mid bolt, pulled the silencer part off, which is the big part. And then it was just two nuts on the header and dropped that. And yeah, it's off. I did find something unfortunate. I did break off this bolt in here, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. But yeah, let's get the new one on now. All right, going on with that new header. Just another little tip when you're putting your exhaust on, before you tighten everything down, just leave it all kind of loose. That way everything will fit together as you're going in, and then tighten up whenever you get done. Just an easier way to put it on. Going on with the midsection now. All right, just finished up, and holy, the Yoshimura, I actually like it a whole lot more than I thought I would. I originally wanted a Pro Circuit, but a Pro Circuit is just so expensive, so I just went a different route just to be different. So that is why I got the Yoshimura, but I think I love it. I think I love the way it turned out. It looks great. Let's see if it sounds near as good as it looks, and then we'll do a baffle delete. Pull that out and see what it does. But yeah, holy, I'm happy with it. First start up. honestly gave it like a deeper, like 450 sound in my opinion. Like it just sounds not as like raspy, which is not a bad thing, but let's do the old baffled Delito now, see what she sounds like. I was gonna take the baffle out, but the mesh screen is stuck in the middle of the pipe, so I guess I'm just gonna leave it on for now, and I'll figure out how to get that out later. But all right, well, since I can't get the whole baffle out, that's just gonna be the final result for now, which is fine. It sounds good with it in there, but I don't know why it came like that, but the mesh part of my baffle is stuck in the middle of the pipe. But we're just gonna leave it in there for now. It won't hurt anything. So it looks insane though. I love it. This build has come together super nice. I got a few more little things I got to do before I'm ready to go race, but I'm missing a few bolts in the fork guards, and then I got to mess with my throttle tube. It's sticking a little bit, and then just a few little things here and there, and then she'll be race ready. So super sweet.